This guide will help you disable automatic restrictions on your Wells Fargo account. Follow these steps to manage your account settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wells Fargo website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is typically found in a menu or under your account name. Step 3. Find automatic restrictions. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Adjust your preferences. Select the option to manage or edit your automatic restrictions. You may need to toggle settings or uncheck boxes to disable these restrictions. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button to finalize your new settings. By following these steps, you can successfully disable automatic restrictions on your Wells Fargo account. Always remember to review your account settings regularly for optimal management.